We're going to take a look at one basic technique for solving exponential equations. In this first problem, you'll see here we have 3 to some power, 2x minus 3, and on the other side, 3 to a different power, 3x. Since we have the same base, since we have a 3 as our base on both sides and there's nothing else going on in the equation, we can simply take the exponents and set them equal to each other and solve it like a normal algebra equation. So in this case, our exponent was 2x minus 3 on one side and 3x on the other. Set them equal, subtract 2x from both sides, and we get x equals 3, negative 3. This next one here, well, it looks like we can't do that. We have a different base on both sides. However, if you know that 4 is 2 squared, you can rewrite it, and we can cleverly get ourselves one base. So 2 squared, all to the 3x, on the other side 2 to the 3x minus 1. Rewrite that as 2 to the 6x, because remember when you have exponents you multiply your powers. Now we have 2 as our common base, so we're just going to set our exponents equal to each other. 6x equals 3x minus 1. Subtract 3x from both sides, divide by 3, and we have x equals negative 1/3. This next problem here, we have a 5 as the base on one side and a 1 over 25 as the base on the other side. Well, we know that this is 5 to the negative 2 power, so we're going to just rewrite that. And if we multiply out our exponents, we're going to have 5 to the x on one side and 5 to the negative 4 plus 2x on the other. Now don't get too worried about the fact that we have this inequality sign. In problems like this, we will simply take our exponents and keep that inequality sign right where it is. So you'll see we take that x down here, we take the negative 4 plus 2x here, inequality sign doesn't change. Subtract x from this side, move the 4 over, and we have 4 is greater than x as the solution to this. Next one here, 243 equals 9 to the w plus 1 power. You'll notice this one doesn't have any exponents, and we don't have common bases, so, well, let's go ahead and get ourselves a common base first. 343 is 3 to the 5th power, and 9 is 3 to the 2nd, so let's write both of those like this. Now let's multiply out our exponents. Now we have common bases with nothing else going on in the equation. So we set our exponents equal to each other. 5 equals 2w plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, divide through by 2, and we have w equals 3/2. Finally, this last one, 343 to some power is less than 49 to a different power. 343 is 7 to the 3rd, and 49 is 7 to the 2nd. So let's rewrite that. Now we multiply out our exponents, and we're going to get 7 to the 6t plus 12 on the left side, 7 to the negative 2, 2 times negative 1 there. And since we have our common bases and nothing else going on, set those exponents equal to each other, or in this case, keep our less than sign, and so we'll have 6t plus 12 is less than negative 2. Subtract 12 from both sides, divide through by 6, and we've got t is less than negative 7/3.